Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good morning. My name is Mr. A. Sibiya from Ehlanzeni Star School, Matric Rewrite and Tutoring Center. Ehlanzeni Star School is a business that was founded in 2021 after we saw a gap ukuthi abantwana bafela matric and they lose hope. So we decided to bridge the gap by starting this company whereby they come and rewrite their matric. We also help abantu abadala over 21 who have never sat for matric to come and do their matric. As long as you pass a grade 9, grade 10 or grade 11, you bring your results. We help you write your matric. Sikufake class in. We've got very qualified educators who are assisting us no kufundisa labantwana. It's a business that is not about us, but about the people, most especially our children, to give them hope. We also help those labapasile, but who wanna improve on their results. Our job is to make sure that every child deserves a second chance. That is why we are in this business, to make sure that we help these young people achieve more than we achieved. Njoba manje amathuba amaningi kangaka for bona to do this. Ehlanzeni Star School is in Nelspruit on the N4 that is going out of Nelspruit going to Malelan. The address of the business is number 11 Henschel Street. It's opposite the Promenade Center. Ngendasi koma office aga Intercape. Ungasithola kule number lelandzelako 013-752-3017 or directly on our cell phone numbers 076-716-0147 or 0822672815. That's the business, Ehlanzeni Star School, helping the nation grow through education.